If your PC or laptop repeatedly shows you the action cannot be completed because the file is opened in another program, then this is the video you will be needing. Hey guys, this is Lucy, and today I will be guiding you through few steps, and let's get started. So first, all you need to do is open the run command by pressing Windows and R. Here, type resmon.exe. It will open this window, which is a resource monitor. Here, go to CPU and you will see this option, associated handles. You just need to type the folder you are trying to delete. So it will show these files. You just need to right click on them and click on end process. And after that, try deleting the folder or file. Your PC will delete the folder you have been trying to delete. And this much for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.